Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the best salmon stuffed shells ever. Guys, this is absolutely delicious, great for our Valentine. Yes, those of you who have Valentine. So let's jump right into this video. So first what we'll be doing is quilt 1 bag of spinach. Then we will be boiling our shells until it's nice and al dente. The instructions should be on the packaging. Then we are going to season our salmon. All right, we're going to drizzle a little bit of chili oil. I mean, you can use any oil. We do not want to over season our salmon. We want to taste the fish. Okay, so you can also season to your likeness and taste. Please do not over season. So now we are going to place our salmon in the pan. And we are going to sear this for about 2.5 minutes on each side. Awesome. Nothing worse than a dry salmon. You see how that flakes right off? It is nice and still juicy. And we are going to dice this up into big chunks, guys. Please do not mash your salmon up. We want to taste the fish. All right, so here I have my regular cream cheese, roasted vegetables, cream cheese, and our spinach. So here I'm trying to soften the cheese, then I'm going to mix in the salmon. I'm sorry, the spinach. I'm so excited about that salmon. Then we are going in with some grated parmesan and smoked Gouda. Absolutely divine. So here we are adding the fish to the cream cheese and spinach mixture. As I mentioned, guys, please do not mash the fish up. Now to our very pan, we'll be adding some garlic and some half and half, some heavy cream, some grated parmesan, and some smoked Gouda. Season to your likeness and taste and set aside. Here we will be stuffing the shells. And here I'm using the marinara sauce for the base. For this batch, I had to do 2 batches, guys. So this one is with the marinara sauce, and then some people needed the creamy mushrooms, so here it is. It was absolutely delicious, by the way. Then I added some cheddar to the bottom of the base so it can hold the shells firm. I do not like soggy shells, period. So we're gonna keep this nice and make sure it holds the integrity nice and firm. Looks absolutely amazing. Then we are going to bake this in a 350 degrees oven for about 15 minutes. But before, we are going to drizzle some of that creamy sauce right over the shells, add a little bit of smoked Gouda, and then bake. I'd like you guys to also check out my other video for my fried stuffed shells. That one is amazing, so look out for that one. So here it is, guys. It is done, and it's time for plating. You can see it's piping hot, and you see the salmon there. Yes, OMG. Then we are going to have some of that same sauce we made earlier, that creamy sauce, right on top. Awesome marinara. And you can serve. You garnish and serve. I hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and thank you all so much. Love you guys. Enjoy your Valentine. Bye bye. See y'all in the next video.